people who want to go abroad, they have guarantee that their future will be bright?
No, even staying in Pakistan doesn't make you like you don't have a guarantee to earn here. But whenever you go outside, if you do have skills and if you do think that you can earn, so definitely you're gonna earn on per hour wages or whatever you want, you can easily earn here.
Just for the sake of money, how can we ignore the blessing of Allah? Like Pakistan has 4 seasons and other countries has no 4 seasons. We have to food for we have in winter, summers, we have different food for every season. Like no other country has, I think no other country has a lot of food. Like they stored in their.
Okay, good. Yes.
To buy food or to buy like groceries and any other things, what we need money to buy that. Yes. But if by staying in Pakistan, if you don't have money to buy that, how are you gonna enjoy that? And if you talk about like foreign or overseas over there, like you are talking about blessing, didn't you heard about our Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him? But he said, if you don't earning over here or anywhere else, but you have to just migrate for your finances.
Next point. People are willing to do any kind of work in abroad, like they do any kind of work, but they are hesitating doing in Pakistan.
Yes.
Like they.
This is very right. Here
they want like
they are shy.
They can
They are
stand
shy.
on yes. Any kind of work.
In Pakistan, work not salary equal to your work. Pakistan in Pakistan work very hard, but salary
Is not does not match. Yes.
But ma'am, I think it's not that easy to go abroad and do work for them. Like I think we should promote our business ourselves.
They should promote our yes.
Pakistan don't have business securities. Like,
Someone else except Shah Rukh, someone else.
ma'am, let me
No,
answer
you,
this one.
okay, this one, last one.
Pakistan don't have business securities. Like if you want to do business over here, you don't have insurance. And if you do have an insurance, they are never going to cover it. So if you do business overseas, definitely you can cover. Even in restaurants, whenever they got fire, they get paid for their each and everything.
Okay,
This is the area of social media. You have to build your skills. You have to go there. Prophet Muhammad also said to go to seek knowledge. You have to earn the skills, and you come here to
Serve Pakistan.
Serve Pakistan. You have to do that from there.
Yes.
What happens if
No, you are banned. You are banned now. You are banned. Yes, someone else.
Every people is the no safe life. Every your studies are new. This and no safe life and dangerous moment.
Okay. There is no security. There is no security. Yes. Yes. Anyone else? Yes.
If everyone would prefer to go abroad, then who will do struggle for Pakistan, for our future?
Imran Khan only. Yes. Then who will stay here? If everyone will leave, then who is going to improvise and who is going to work for this country?
You can see from present, if someone is doing good for Pakistan, he is banned. Like we can see Imran Khan. The current government has banned the Imran Khan and received him.
Okay, you are saying that they should learn example.
We as a public, we should have come out when he was calling. Nobody come out at that time when he was calling.
Or you can say less people came out. Yes.
Came out, they were arrested by the police.
Please. Yes.
Then if people came out from their houses, they were arrested from their homes. Even if I talk about myself, ma'am, my family background in Lucky Marwat behind Peshawar. Ma'am, there were a strict parda system, na. So ma'am, their police entered one house and
Started catching people.
catching the women. So ma'am, everyone in massages were announced that if any police anymore came to your home, so shoot them.
Shoot them. Yes.
Their order was
I
passed.
heard the same, like something like this. They decided in Gilgit as well. They just gathered and decided something. Yes. You can give your own view,
You have the example of French. They have established the French Revolution. We have the problem in Pakistan.
Yes.
As problems are established in the French, they themselves go out and struggle for themselves. We have to struggle for themselves, not to leave there. And who is the protector of our country, our homeland? We have taken
revolution.
this for the sake of Islam, yeah.
Yes.
But how can we leave it and flourish our generation? On the other countries, they have no Islamic culture. They have no azans here. They have no people to serve. They have. How can you say our girls is protected there? Our girls is protected there? No, they are not protected. But they establish their laws and their. I can listen that if anyone say promote their Pakistani Islamic values in our child, they can took the parents, they can took the child for their sake. And in the China, you know that they are not allowed.
Actually, the point is no, you cannot practice independently. You cannot practice your beliefs independently.
We say the Safe Pakistan totally days news before the Pakistan next month, next.
Okay, Imran has broken the news that Pakistan is going to default, be in the default list or going to default in the next month. Yes.
It's just because people don't fight for their freedom and rights.
It's because of our own kartoot.
And basically what they are saying, they are basically saying.
You are
that-
banned.
Just
Okay.
What they are saying, they are just saying to protest for themselves.
You're
What-
not speaking.
You guys will know that in Pakistan, basically we are not living in a democracy. We are living in a democracy, but it's just called.
Okay.
Basically, it's kind of a martial law. You can even say a military law over here. So definitely you cannot protest or do like what happened with Imran Khan. Basically, if we talk about Pakistanis usually, if I call in Urdu, Pakistanis are Muslim Kashqam. What we do say Muslim Kashqam, but they are whoever work for them or whoever do good for them or try to do good for them, they basically stood against them. Like if you talk about Liaquat Ali Khan, you talk about Imran Khan, you talk about.
We are discussing
Fatima
too
Jinnah.
much of
They stood
politics.
Against
Please, let's not discuss too much of politics here. Okay, let's avoid it.
And in Pakistan, there are no laws and justice, and in court, the people who are guilty, they pay money and
They can have decisions of their own choice.
Yes, and that's why in this way the many people coming out from the Pakistan and living abroad because they are not secure, and that's why the robbers and these things are getting.
Yeah, I will give you the example of this woman. She can stand for herself. She can make the community like us. And you are oneself. You have stand up and do it reform for yourself. But you have made the communities like that. How can we not able to stand our Pakistan without protest? You have to stand for yourself. You have to work for yourself. Every generation.
Every country has a crime, but in Pakistan they highlight every incident in social media. That's why Pakistan, I think, because their people made themselves bad in
Thought in their mind, like reading is a difficult test. Similarly, Pakistan is not a country to live. Like you have a pre-assumed mind about reading test. It's same. Yes, someone this side. Yes, what about you?
There are a lot of corruption in Pakistan. Don't jobs opportunities in Pakistan.
Yes.
Now, Pakistan is not provide job for mostly poor people. That's why mostly poor people try to border crossing illegal because they know.
Yes, this is also what we should say a misfortune that they try to cross the border illegally.
Yes. Because they know then Pakistan is the country providing good accommodation, good salary.
Misfortune.
That's why.
Yes.
One of the members said that we cannot practice Islam here.
Speak loudly so that she can listen.
We cannot practice Islam there in Western countries, but there are proper Muslim communities. There are mosques. There are azans. There are not azans are not banned like.
Okay, you think you can practice? Yes.
When the bill presented in the parliament, there is no relief to the poor people. They are increasing the price as well as the basic needs of the human. They are increasing the wheat, rice. These are the basic needs. That's why we should go to abroad.
And in Pakistan, there is not a good draining system, and the people are throwing rubbish on the roads.